Yes, he is actually. And I'm very happy.
So wala ka ng fears in your heart?
Meron pa ring fears, like I'm always asking him, have you taken your medicines? Like, have you done your exercises?
Yung angioplasty, naka 3 or 4?
Pang-apat ko na this year.
Mahirap ba?
Yung
Yung process,
angioplasty, technically hindi. Mabilis lang siya. It takes about less than an hour kung magaling yung doctor. And you can be out of the hospital in a couple of weeks. Hindi tulad ng bypass, which is a major thing na open heart. Angioplasty is a simple procedure na binubuksan lang yung artery
Para i-unclog.
para i-unclog.
How did this change you? Yung this life-threatening, no? Situation that happened to you. Paano ito, do you feel that you're a new person now?
Parang when you look back at it, sasabihin mo, oh, that was parang, this is a chapter and this is a chapter. And the Eraserheads thing and my mom dying was definitely a chapter. Sabihin ko na, I'm glad to have survived that.
Okay, of course you're still mourning for your the death of your mom, no?
Yeah, it's still very, very fresh. Most of the time when you're alone, you think there's only one thing you think of, and it's my mom. So.
And now we're a week away from All Saints Day. So what are your plans?
Probably stay. My mom is with us in the house.
Okay,
She was
actually,
cremated, and that was one of her last wishes because she was thinking. Well, she was thinking ahead. She didn't want us to, spend time in the cemetery.
Ellie's mom, Lizette, passed away last August 28. 2 days later, idinaos ang reunion concert ng Eraserheads sa The Fort with an estimated crowd of 60,000. Paano nga ba nagawang pagsamahin muli ang grupo that disbanded in 2002?
A bunch of very, very diehard E-Heads fans had the idea to talk to us and gave us their concept. And the four of us all liked the concept. And we said yes.
Yung relationship mo with the E-Heads members, ano ito? Mas nabuo ulit? Ngayon ba nagbaband ulit kayo?
Well, we're not going out and grabbing, a few beers in the bars, but
Which you used to do?
hindi rin.
Okay. Close sila, no? Okay.
we were friends because we worked together, and we always respected each other when it comes to our work.
But you never really spoke about or talked about the breakup, no?
Yeah. Malaking misunderstanding ang nangyari dito because a lot of fans took it the wrong way, and maraming na hurt because of that. And my own reason was that I was simply trying to parang create a new career.
Mm-hmm.
And for me to do that, it was impossible for me to do that if I kept on, talking about or referring to something is not part of what I was doing then, which is that was Mongols and then Pupil. So I was just trying to avoid, a subject na para sa akin wala nang use or wala nang, wala nang point.
Yung reunion concert that you never got to finish.
Para sa akin tapos na yun.
Okay.
15 songs, parang that's a good show, And nangyari lang na 30 songs kasi we were all planning talaga na this will be the last and the end of it para masaya ng lahat. Sige, tugtugin na natin lahat. Pero nung nandun na ako and the 15th song ended, parang for me I was really, really satisfied. Siyempre, I do want to make them happy, and in a way then I was also siyempre nabitin din ako.
Meanwhile, rumors are rife that Ellie and wife Diane Ventura face rough sailing ahead as a couple. Another chapter din ba ito sa buhay ng bokalista?
First of all, I'm not going through kung ano man yung rough
Okay.
situation. Everybody has to, do what's best for what you think is best in your relationship. And first and foremost, she is still my manager. And she has always been my manager. She has guided me from the very start, from ever since the Mongols days, up to the pupil days, up to the reunion. And she is still guiding me. And we are very, very good friends. We're the best of friends. We have a very, very special relationship. She's the mother of my son. And there's no person I want to work with or, be with now than her.
Pero si Ian, ito talaga yung mini-me, di ba? Parang kamukha mo. Yung condition mo, or like what you said, okay ka na naman, no? Pero would that prevent you from the usual father-son bonding? Or things are the same between you?
Di naman naapektuhan yun. I mean, I could be, knock on wood, a cripple in a vegetative state, and I would still have a relationship with Ion because our relationship really transcends anything physical.
Being good to his dad, despite the playboy stigma attached to performers like Ellie.
Well, there's a preconceived notion about rock stars being babaero and all, di ba? Super opposite si Ellie. Well, with me, like, I can only speak for myself. When we were together, he's very, very loyal. Siya yung tipong na kahit nasa kabilang dulo ko ng mundo, like, I know he's loyal.
Any plans of getting back together ba?
Concentrate muna of like getting back in shape and like getting back into business and like working on Ion before anything else, and things will follow naman.
Ellie, it seems, is happy where he is now.
Any message for them?
Thank you for basically guiding me also through tough times. It was this is the second time na hospital ako, and I'm really, really glad that you were there and did everything for me.
Please take care of yourself and your health, and always know that I'm here for you, and you'll always be family, and I love him forever.
Can you just greet the Star Talk viewers naman?
Thank you. At tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yung panonood ng Star Talk dahil nandito yung the best dish on showbiz and the best hosts.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
She started out as one of the youngest, most sought-after character actresses of her time. Subalit sa kasagsagan ng kanyang kasikatan bilang kontrabida, pinili niyang sumubok ng ibang larangan. Ngayon, sa muli nilang pagsasama ni Dennis Trillo sa Gagambino, Katrina Halili, magbabalik na nga ba sa pagiging kontrabida? Yan at iba pang mga issue, sasagutin live ngayong hapon sa Star Talk.
Alam mo, bigat-bigat itong bulaklak na to. Bibigay ko na to kay Katrina. Katrina Halili.
Thank you, Nay. Happy anniversary po.
Oh, di ba? Dati, tumatanggap ka ng mga kontrabida roles, di ba? Ngayon daw, hindi ka natatanggap ng kontrabida.
Hindi naman pong hindi na. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi po muna.
Ay, mga babatiin ko, naglagpa ka na. Bakit? Anong mali sa kontrabida roles?
Kasi po, 5 taon na rin po kasi ako nung nagsimula natapos yung Stars, tsaka puro kontrabida po eh.
Oh.
So, naisip ko hanggat hindi ako hihinto ng kakatanggap ng kontrabida. So,
Lagi na lang
lagi po
kontrabida.
ganun.
Yeah, oo.
So, gusto ko naman po iba naman.
Oh, di ba naging bida ka na? Magiging bida ka nga sa 2 pelikula, di ba?
Opo.
Yung isa pang Film Fest pa.
Opo, yun. One night only po. Ayan, sa Film Fest, sana pa nila.
Tapos yung isa naman, sa abroad pa i-shoot.
Opo, yung Miss X.
Hindi ka ba natatakot nun dahil yung unang Miss X si Vilma Santos?
Syempre po, natatakot din po ako, pero syempre gagawin ko po yung best ko, tsaka natatakot lang po ako sa lamig, dun sa shoot.
Sa Amsterdam.
Opo.
Di ba? Yung role mo daw sa Gagambino, Ibang Katrina naman daw to.
Oo, iba pong Katrina to kasi medyo mahirap po yung role ko dito eh. Artista lang. Parang ako lang.
Artista ka dito.
Apo.
Oh.
May power din po ako dito. Magkababata kami nila Dennis Trillo, nila Glyza. So, ayun.
Anong power mo naman? Hindi naman...
From Praying Mantis